how to fix Instagram DM, direct messages, notifications on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Instagram, open settings, this one for Android phones, click apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and go to notifications and just check all of those notifications, and that's it. And if you have an iPhone, just go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then turn off your and then restart your iPhone and delete Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.